This fan is awesome. It drives more air than any other fan we currently have in our home. We plan to replace all our ceiling fans with this particular fan. We currently have 2 of 5. Excellent purchase and easy to install with the included hardware. Well done, Hunter. I did a lot of searching for the right light and fan fixture. Everything at the local store seemed cheap and I had a hard time finding a light that suited me. This one fitted the bill as it uses normal light bulb socket bulbs and not the little base ones that just aren't bright enough. It doesn't have anything that might collect any insects like a bowl light would. I pulled down 2 fans that shook from being out of balance. Were 30 years old from where I built my home 30 years ago and one of the lights was malfunctioning. These weren't quite as heavy, the motors, as my old ones but surprisingly were close. They aren't too noisy and are actually quieter than my old Bahama Breeze fans that had unbalanced over the years. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out and wasn't expecting to be. It helps to have 2 people install them as one can hold parts in place while the other wires and attaches parts. My son was a handy participant. Absolutely beautiful. We needed a really low profile fan. Now the tall guys in my family can walk through the room. This was my husband's first fan install and it went pretty smoothly. Quiet, cooling and super bright. Didn't even have to balance it. So happy with our purchase and we'll be putting the second one up really soon.